Superfood kiwi can be used topically in skincare routines to brighten the skin, exfoliate, and reduce the appearance of dark spots. Benefits: antioxidants. Kiwis contain antioxidants that help protect and nourish the skin. Vitamin C. Kiwis are high in vitamin C, which can help fade dark spots and inhibit melanin production. Collagen. Kiwis can help boost collagen production, which can help delay the signs of aging. Exfoliation. The natural enzymes in kiwis can help remove dead skin cells. Anti-inflammatory. Kiwis have anti-inflammatory properties that may help with acne. Kiwi fruit extract benefits for skin. It is one of nature's most wonderful fruits, a handheld superfood that when used in skincare products can not only help support the health of cells beneath the skin's surface, but also slough off dead skin cells, revealing the refreshed, revitalized cells beneath. Zayspri kiwi fruit are rich in vitamin C2, one of the most potent antioxidants around, which fight against the formation of free radicals, which helps to protect your skin and delay the aging process. Eating kiwi a day get you great healthy benefits as well. The benefits of eating kiwi fruit may include alleviating symptoms of asthma, supporting a healthy heart, rich in fiber and an enzyme called actinidin, which can aid digestion, rich in immune-supportive nutrients to help ward off illnesses, rich in protective antioxidants. Kiwi is high in prebiotics, which are necessary for probiotics, or friendly bacteria and yeasts, to grow in your gut.